Hi guys, so remember in the lab when I told you that you were going to be doing calculations for the lab, but I didn't tell you how you were going to do the calculations? This is how you're going to be able to do your calculations. Google Sheets has this great feature where it can actually do the work for you, and it's actually a lot simpler and less time consuming than you actually writing it down on a piece of paper. We're going to be using Google Sheets throughout the course fairly much so that way you can get more adequate with it and also be able to understand the features that comes with Google Sheets as well. Now, in this lab, I remember telling you that you were going to take the averages of things, and that's exactly what you're going to be doing. So in order to take the average of these four values, Google Sheets can do it for you. Here's how you're going to do it. You're going to put an equal sign, and then you're going to type in the word average, okay? And then Google Sheets is actually kind of smart. It's wondering if you want to take the average from B3 to E3. But for sake purposes, I want you to actually click and drag across. So that way you know like what you're trying to take values of. Google Sheets thinks it's kind of smart, but sometimes it could be incorrect. So you're going to want to do that and then just hit enter, and it takes the average of that for you. Now, which we could also take the average of these times as well, but we have 2 units in them, so we really can't do that. So in order to do that, we need to have that changed into seconds. So in order to do this, you're going to press equals 2 times 60, because 60 seconds are in a minute, plus 34, and then you hit equal or enter, and there you have your values in seconds. So you're going to keep doing the same exact thing. So 2 times 60 plus 10. Oops, 2 times 3 times 60. My mistake. So 3 times 60 plus 10. And you're just going to work your way across doing that. So 2 times 60 plus 43 and 2 times 60 plus 54 equals. Now, in order to get the average again, you're going to have to put equals average. You're going to have to type out the whole word, parenthesis, highlight the 4, and parenthesis equals. So in order to do that again, I will show you, okay? You're going to have an equal sign. You're going to have the word average. And then you're going to highlight the values that you want to average, and parenthesis and equals. Alrighty guys, that's how you're going to be doing your lovely calculations for the lab. If you have any questions, please do not be afraid to email me. But this is how you're going to do the calculations, find the averages, and also change your time from minutes to seconds to just seconds. Alright guys, have a great day.